I just come out my house. I went around the back to get my t-shirt. It's a beautiful day today. It's like 28 with a breeze. Amazing. Feels like almost a winter day coming. I just, when I walk around, I just naturally look for snakes everywhere. Frogs, what's going on? Birds, a different bird. I was just walking back to the house door and looked up at the bird. I made a bird house just as a decoration, but some birds try to go in it, but somebody's always bothering them. Look who's in the birdhouse. It's hard to get. There you go. Where is he? Yeah, see him? In the birdhouse. How's that? There you go. Look inside. Look how big he is. So some birds made a nest in it a long time ago, and I guess they got tired of being bothered. I made the hole too big. It's actually made for smaller birds. There's a really tiny, like a wren, really small, like your finger. So nobody's nested in it for a long time. But there's a nest in it. You can see he's curled up in the back. See if I can zoom in anymore. See him in the back? Amazing, huh? I think it's a type of a viper, but it's not bright green. His head's kind of small, but his body looks big, maybe about a meter long in there. But you have to be careful when you're walking around here. Jan planted this flimflaw a while ago, so we made it an arch. So when you walked from the house to the workshop or into the garden, you have to walk under that. So you'd have to be careful, like, where is he? Huh? Spooky.